Hello everyone, this is for Lisa and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited because in this video I'm giving you a tour of our family room. However, I'm also more so excited that the video is sponsored by Hoover. I'm going to be sharing with you the One Power Blade Plus Cordless Vacuum. I think this vacuum is awesome. The vacuum has a multi-surface brush roll that has a cleaning performance mode that allows you to clean your carpet, hardwood floors, and things like that. The vacuum has different modes that's easily accessible. The modes are actually right on the handle of the vacuum itself. As you can see, it has LED headlights. So here all you have to do is unclip the battery from the back of the vacuum. The vacuum also comes with a docking station for easy charging. So here I'm showing you those features that's easily accessible to control the functions of the vacuum. The vacuum actually has removable handheld connections that allows for quick cleaning of stairs, upholstery, and much more. I actually used these features in my previous video. So my previous video was all about spring cleaning, and a vacuum of this sort is perfect for spring cleaning. I actually used the different attachments to help me clean out my junk drawer and my utensil drawer. This actually was my junk drawer and it was full of junk. Now the drawer that you're looking at now, I used the vacuum to clean out my utensil drawer and everything came out just perfect. My favorite features of this vacuum is that it has the ability to go from floor to carpet just like that. It's cordless and it's versatile. I'm going to leave the link below for those of you who are interested. So let's get started on this tour. Okay, loves, let me tell you briefly what I have going on in our family room at this moment. So let's start on this side. So the bookshelves came from Crate and Barrel 2. The plant arrangement on the top shelf, if you notice, what I have going on one shelf is also going on the other. So the arrangement on the top shelf came from Home Goods. The ceramic books came from Z Gallery. The flickering candle here came from Pottery Barn. These items here came from the 99-cent store last year. My boxes came from Z Gallery. The eggs here came from Home Goods. And the items at the bottom came from Home Goods. As I stated, everything is the same on the other shelf. The fireplace TV stand came from Wayfair. The candle holders that you see here came from Bath and Body Works, and the vases in the middle and the He is Risen sign actually came from Home Goods. Over here, I think this is super neat. I showed it to you guys before. This is actually a diffuser. It's really cute. It changes colors and I love it. So moving on up, the wall art over here came from Kirkland's. It actually comes with another, it's a set, but I only have one in here. And the vases here in this corner actually came from Z Gallery. I'll try to place a link to everything that is actually still in stock right now. Over on this side, The wall art on those two wall arts came from Home Goods. The lamps came from Ross. The vases on the end tables came from Z Gallery. The flowers on the end tables came from Michael's. The eggs came from Home Goods. My end tables came from Rooms to Go. My super cute little expandable coffee table here came from Wayfair. Last time I checked, it was out of stock, but I'll link it if it's in stock. But this is such a fun coffee table, and it's perfect for a small space. I actually purchased this here for my living room, but it ended up here in my family room. Everything on, no, take that back. I was going to say everything on here came from Home Goods. But these teal vases, this vase came from Z Gallery. This vase here came from At Home. The flowers came from Michael's, and everything else came from Home Goods. All the pillows except for the knot pillow came from Z Gallery. The knot pillow actually came from Wayfair. The drapes came from Burlington, as well as the mirror on the wall here also came from Burlington. The wall art here came from Home Goods, and the sconces on the wall came from Z Gallery. My water feature came from Wayfair, and my throw here came from Z Gallery. My area rug also came from Wayfair. The area rug came from Wayfair, and my little ottomans here came from Ross. And moving on up, the newest item in here is my ceiling fan. It actually came from Urban Ambience, and I'll leave the link below to that just in case someone is interested. So guys, it's good news for you. I am going to be getting my flooring redone, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. So say goodbye to the ceramic tile, because I have quite a bit of cracked tiles. That's why I pretty much never share my floor, because I don't want you guys to see the cracked tiles. But this should be the last video where I'll have to hide cracked tiles. I'm hoping that everything works out well and I get the floor done. So this is the end of this video. I hope that it inspired someone on decorating their family room, because this is where we sit. This is where my grandkids sit. As you see the tic-tac-toe game over there on the floor. You see Uno cards and cards in here. This is where we sit and enjoy each other in this room. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video.